woke up this morning, sun was shining right in my eyes. I'm from a little town, you probably just drive right on by. Yeah, I was born and raised small town USA, where the corn grows tall and the kids go outside and play. But I heard a different drummer, I heard a different kind of call. Had to stand up tall and answer, I had to go give him my all. Accepted that call, Lord, for my brothers in arms. Traded in my pickup truck for government alarms. Yeah, I accepted that call to fight for the red, white, and blue. Left my girl standing on the pole, said, honey, I love you. Packed my bag with nothing but the pride inside my chest. Gonna go and earn that Eagle Globe and ain't gonna put myself to the test.